All right, in this section, this is a 7.4, section 7.4 application walkthrough. In this section, we were looking at absolute value, or not absolute value, sorry, linear inequalities. And on this first problem, all I want you to do is take each one of these problems just how you did, following the steps that I gave you, to graph them all on the same graph. Okay, and that's all I want you to do. I don't want to take all the room to put 3 graphs on there, because that does take a lot of room, and for some of the, these 2 bottom ones are a little bit easier problems. I think that you can just do all that on the same graph. So put those 3 graphs on the same graph and show me, make sure you shade the proper direction and show me what you get. The more interesting problem here, number 2, I'll help you work through some of this just to get you going in the right direction and let you do the last couple parts. So I want to start a program to lose some weight. I go to the doctor, and the doctor tells me that I need to burn off 600 calories a day or more by exercising. And I love going on the exercise bike, but it only burns 10 calories a minute, and whereas the treadmill burns 15 calories a minute for me. Okay. Write an inequality that represents x as the number of minutes spent on the bike and y the number of minutes spent on the treadmill. So here's the tricky part of this: is we need, how many calories am I going to burn on the bike per minute? Well, that would be 10. So we have 10x. How many calories do I burn on the treadmill per minute? That's 15. So 15y. And when I combine those things, I have to burn 600 calories. So I want 600 calories or more. So that needs to be greater than or equal to 600. Okay, so that's going to be your inequality. I wanted to give you that just so that we were all on the same page. So if I ride the bike for 30 minutes and I don't use the treadmill, will I burn enough calories? If I spend 30 minutes on the treadmill and don't ride the bike, will I burn enough calories? Those two are just problems that you can that you can work out yourself. But so that's plugging in like the point 30, 0. So 30 minutes on the bike, 0 on the treadmill. That's your x, that's your y. Plug them in and solve. And then the other one would be 0, 30. So 0 minutes on the bike, 30 on the treadmill, and would that give me enough? Okay. From there, you're going to graph the inequality. Okay, using this inequality, graph it and figure out which side you should shade. And then at the end, I want you to give 3 different possibilities for how long I should do each exercise that will reach my goal. So maybe you say bike, treadmill, and option 1, option 2, and option 3. Okay, and give me whole number answers there. Just I don't want to be on the bike for 10 minutes and 13 seconds. Make something that actually makes sense and I can stick to it and remember it pretty easily. Okay, but write 3 different plans that will help me reach my goal on a daily basis. Okay. From there, go ahead and finish all those problems. Good luck on the mastery challenge, and also good luck on the test that's coming up. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm always here to help. Talk to you later. Bye.